Avocado face mask for dry skin. A face mask, made with avocado and coconut oil, is very nourishing and moisturizing. It effectively soothes dry skin, and is very easy to make, since it contains only 2 natural ingredients. Avocado benefits for skin. Avocado contains lots of antioxidants, vitamin E, and healthy fats, which allow it to fight off wrinkles and moisturize dry skin. Avocado's antioxidant protection prevents skin's premature aging and makes it look and feel supple. Coconut oil benefits for skin. Coconut oil is a natural and safe skin lubricant that treats flaky skin and unclogs the pores. It nourishes the skin with the abundance of its healthy nutrients. How to make the face mask for dry skin. Take a ripe and soft avocado and slice 1/4 section of it. Peel off the skin and mash it using a fork. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix the ingredients well until you get a smooth consistent mixture. How to use the mask. Massage the mask onto your clean face in a circular motion for 2 minutes. Leave it there for 15 minutes, then rinse off with cool water and pat dry. Repeat as necessary. Tips. When applying the mask, avoid the area of the eyes and mouth, since these parts of the face are more sensitive, and the tightening and stretching of the mask may cause wrinkles there. For this mask, you need to find a ripe and soft avocado to make it easier to mash it up with the fork. If the air at your home is very dry, run a humidifier to relieve the skin dryness and prevent its flakiness. A humidifier is especially good at night, since it is the time when your skin repairs and regenerates itself.